Meals is a chef-curated, healthy, organic meal prep company located in Markham, Ontario. We use majority organic ingredients, locally sourced. There are no extra sugars, there's no chemical preservatives or things like that. We have Korean dishes, Indian dishes, we have Italian dishes, and on a yearly basis, it can range from 5,000 to 8,000 meals per week.
We have an 8-week rotating menu, so each week no meal repeats itself. And then with those meals, we offer a set vegetable, and then we offer 3 different sides. Any given week at Meals, we produce 86 different types of meals for our clients.
When we started Meals, we really wanted to attract chefs, so we have a state-of-the-art CGMP HACCP certified facility and all the tools from Rational that help us make these meals on a daily basis. Obviously, Rational is the gold standard in hospitality, so when we were building out our kitchen, we knew we needed to start with at least one, so we started small and we got 2 Rational iCombis, and we quickly actually scaled up. So we added a iVario Pro XL tilt skillet as well as a full pan Combi Pro as well.
Every day, you're learning something new and a different technique and a different way of using the Rational to make our lives easier, but also our staff, and just make everything more efficient. With the iVario, we're using about 25% less sauce in our products now. We do a lot of stew-based dishes with our chickpeas, bologneses, pad thais, and beef stroganoffs. For instance, before, what we do is that we roast it in the oven, and then we would take it out and then we would cook it in a pot with the sauce, and it didn't absorb properly. So with the iVario, essentially what it allows us now is to roast our beef in the iVario and then essentially add our sauce, and then our sauce essentially reduces itself down consistently. It's a lot easier for us now to essentially have a better idea of how much we need in something, where before it was kind of, okay, we need to put more and more and more. Now it actually gives us a proper and more consistent cook. And then with the ovens is great because we can also manipulate it in the way that works best for us, just because of the large volume that we do. So if we want to have a nice roast on our chicken, we can learn how to adjust the color on the chicken, the humidity on the chicken, and then obviously the internal temperature is very straightforward because we just stick the probe in, and then that does the foolproof part for us.
Our team absolutely loves the ovens. It makes their job easier, and I think working in hospitality, you're continually trying to put tools in the hands of your cooks so that they can perform their jobs better, and Rational is the epitome of that. You are putting the best tool in their hands possible to get the best quality product so that their skill level can actually come through and that they are able to cook the best quality food that they are able to make.